Hello there, and welcome to True Weight Solutions. I'm Dr. Neil Pai. Are you tired of stubborn fat that refuses to go away despite your best efforts? You're not alone. Many struggle with this issue, even with strict diets and intense workouts. But why is it so persistent? Traditional methods might not be enough. The secret lies in understanding the role of the hypothalamus in weight management. This tiny brain region controls hunger and metabolism, making it crucial in your weight loss journey. Meet your new secret weapon for effective weight loss, True Weight Solutions. These drops are designed to target the brain's control center, the hypothalamus, to help you achieve your weight goals. True Weight Solutions offer multiple benefits. They burn stored fat, curb cravings, and help reshape your body naturally. It's time to say goodbye to stubborn fat and hello to a new you. The hypothalamus plays a pivotal role in weight loss. True Weight Solutions work at a neurological level, influencing this brain region to optimize your body's fat-burning capabilities. Discover the natural ingredients that make these drops effective. Each component is carefully selected to support your weight loss journey, ensuring safe and sustainable results. Say goodbye to belly fat and hello to lasting results. True Weight Solutions, you're ready to transform your weight loss journey and unlock your body's full potential. Take the first step with True Weight Solutions. Unlock your body's full fat-burning potential and embrace a healthier, more confident you. Visit our website to get started today. And if you're a healthcare provider interested in offering this powerful solution to your patients, we'd love to connect with you. Contact us today.